Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Innovating People with Vijay Advani. And today we are going to learn about how to fill blank rows and columns in one single click, that too within 30 seconds. Well, but before we proceed ahead, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed to it. Hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications, like the video, share the video with your friends, and please comment on it so that more people can get involved and can gain some good knowledge about it. Well, so let's move ahead. And we can see that we already have a table present over here. The table has three headers: names of cricket players, type, and tournaments. So within the names of cricket players, we have different cricket players like Shubman Gill, Jasprit Bumrah, and then the type of player they are, whether they are a batsman, they're a bowler, or a wicket keeper, and what type of tournaments they are going to play. So whether Shubman Gill is going to play all these tournaments, and Jasprit Bumrah is going to play all these tournaments, and so on. But this is already a filled table. But in case there would have been certain blank rows or columns, then how this would have been filled in just with a single click, and how this would have been selected all together in a single click. So let's move ahead. And for the convenience, I will just delete this to show you how we can select this in a single click and can just fill them in a single click. Okay. So this is what I have deleted. And even for Ishan Kishan, let me delete these two rows. So now this is entirely deleted and we can see certain blank rows and blank columns coming into picture. So now how to fill this and how to select this. So for that, just select this entire table. You can also press Ctrl+A to select this, or you can select it through your mouse, just like what I did it right now. And once you have selected this, just press Ctrl+G, go to special, go to blanks, and you will see that all the blank rows have not got selected. Okay, now they have got selected. Now what to do next? So you can see the first blank cell which has got selected is this one, A7. So just press Control key and click on this. Press Control key and click on this. Okay, now once you have done that, you can now type in this cell. So just write equal to and select Shubman Gill, that is cell A6. Okay, and now press Ctrl+Enter. Boom, and you can see all the blank rows have now got filled in. Okay, and if let's say I want to drop Shubman Gill, I want to bring in Virat Kohli over here. So let me put in Virat Kohli. Oh, that's great. So the name has changed to Virat Kohli for all the rows. Let's say he's not a batsman, he's an all-rounder. Let's say. Okay. And let me put it like this. Just click on this. Okay, that's boom. So this is what about filling the blank rows, selecting the blank rows in just one single click. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please like and share this video. Thank you very much. I'll be back with another video for you. Thank you.